Hello everybody. In this video we're going to cover how to install SolidCAM. First things first, if you have SOLIDWORKS running, please close it before you start the installation process. Now we can go and launch the executable file for the version of SolidCAM we'd like to install. If prompted, tell it yes, and then the install wizard will begin. From here we'll tell it next, agree to the license agreement, and decide where we'd like to install SolidCAM. Generally, the default location works just fine, but if your system administrator requires something else, you can change that location here. Then we'll decide what unit of measure we'd like to use as a default. You can change this later, but we'll choose inch for now. We'll leave all of these boxes ticked, and we'll continue. And again, if we need to change the program folder, we can do so now, but generally the defaults will work just fine. From here, the install wizard will begin the rest of the process, and this can take a few minutes depending on how fast your system is. We'll follow up when it's done. With the installation complete, you can choose to enroll in our Customer Experience Improvement Program or disable that if you'd like, and click Finish. We can make sure everything is installed correctly by launching SolidWorks. Now by default, SolidWorks should be configured to launch the SolidCAM add-in whenever you run SolidWorks, but this behavior can be changed very easily once SolidWorks is loaded. We can simply go up to Tools, Add-ins, scroll down until we see SolidCAM, and we can enable or disable it to run on startup. If we go to Tools and see the SolidCAM tab, we'll know that everything installed correctly and we're ready to start using SolidCAM. If you guys have any questions or problems, feel free to reach out to the help desk information in the description of this video, or feel free to comment directly on the video itself. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.